Welcome to Manna Home Design, where we explore inspiring homes, clever interiors, and smart ideas for modern small space living. If you love discovering beautifully designed homes, creative tiny apartment layouts, and practical small space design, you're in the right place. Today we're stepping inside a brilliant 400-square-foot West Village apartment that proves tiny apartment living in New York City can be stylish, comfortable, and incredibly functional. In this New York City apartment tour, you'll see how a couple transformed their compact West Village micro apartment using thoughtful small apartment ideas and smart tiny space storage solutions. From a cozy kitchen with a dedicated latte coffee station and exposed brick walls, to a charming living room with a classic mantel, a surprising kitchen shower layout, and a beautifully minimal bedroom with a striking gallery wall, this 400-square-foot apartment is full of clever design choices that make small apartment living feel effortless. Before we get started, subscribe for more tiny apartment tours, small space design ideas, and inspiring New York City apartment living. Entry plus coffee kitchen, latte station. Welcome inside this 400-square-foot West Village apartment, a perfect example of tiny space living in New York City. Right as you enter, the compact New York City kitchen design reveals one of the smartest small apartment ideas in the home, a dedicated latte coffee station. This cozy coffee bar setup transforms a tiny kitchen corner into a daily ritual space, blending functional small space design with intentional minimalism. The exposed brick wall, a classic element of many West Village apartments, instantly adds texture and warmth to this micro apartment interior. Floating pantry shelves with glassware create vertical storage, one of the most effective tiny apartment storage solutions. Even the retro microwave and hidden gas burners demonstrate how clever small kitchen organization can maximize every inch of space. Natural light coming through the window softens the compact layout, making this tiny New York City kitchen feel surprisingly open. In a 400-square-foot apartment, every detail matters, from the coffee station design to the smart micro kitchen layout. It's proof that small apartment living in New York isn't about sacrificing comfort, it's about designing a tiny space that works beautifully every day. Living room plus mantel. Moving into the living room of this 400-square-foot West Village apartment, the first thing you notice is the beautiful mantel focal point against the exposed brick wall. In tiny apartment design, creating a strong visual anchor is essential, and this classic New York City apartment mantel styling instantly gives the room character and depth. The neutral minimalist decor, layered candles, and sculptural ceramic vase create a calm aesthetic that perfectly suits a small living room layout. The compact yet deep West Elm sofa is a smart choice for tiny apartment furniture, providing comfort without overwhelming the space. Even the hidden TV rail system above the art prints is a clever small space decorating idea. Large windows bring in beautiful natural light, one of the most valuable features in New York micro apartments. This space shows how thoughtful small apartment interior design can transform a compact layout into something warm and stylish. It's a perfect balance of minimalist living, functional furniture, and classic West Village charm. Ultra-tiny bathroom. Now we step into one of the most fascinating areas of this 400 square foot New York City apartment, the incredibly compact tiny bathroom design. In a micro apartment layout, innovation is everything, and this space features a clever toilet-sink combo unit, a brilliant small bathroom solution often used in ultra-compact homes. This toilet with built-in sink allows water used for hand washing to refill the tank, making it both space-saving and eco-friendly. For tiny apartment bathrooms, combining functions like this is one of the smartest small space design strategies. Even better, the small bathroom window brings in natural light, preventing the room from feeling cramped. Despite its extremely small footprint, this micro bathroom layout still feels functional and surprisingly comfortable. It's a perfect example of how New York City tiny apartment living encourages creative solutions. In a 400 square foot apartment, every square inch counts, and this clever compact bathroom design proves that even the smallest spaces can be beautifully efficient. Kitchen shower surprise. One of the most unexpected features in this 400 square foot West Village apartment is the hidden kitchen shower. At first glance, it looks like a standard tiny New York City kitchen, but with one sliding door, a full shower enclosure is revealed, a truly surprising micro apartment layout solution. This unusual design highlights the creativity required in small apartment living in New York City. Instead of dedicating valuable square footage to a separate bathroom, the layout integrates the shower near the kitchen, maximizing the efficiency of the tiny apartment floor plan. While unconventional, this setup perfectly reflects the reality of West Village micro apartments, where clever spatial planning matters more than traditional layouts. It's an example of how tiny space architecture can push boundaries while still remaining functional for everyday small apartment living. Closet storage plus gaming office. Storage is often the biggest challenge in tiny apartments, but this 400 square foot West Village apartment turns that problem into an opportunity. Inside this closet area, vertical organization creates one of the smartest small apartment storage solutions in the entire home. for shoes, clothing, and accessories maximize every inch of vertical space, a key principle of tiny space organization. Even more impressive, one section of the closet has been transformed into a compact work-from-home office and gaming setup, proving that a micro-apartment workspace can exist almost anywhere. This kind of closet office design is becoming increasingly popular in small apartment living, especially for people working remotely. By combining storage, a workspace, and organization, this area demonstrates how thoughtful tiny apartment design strategies can turn even the smallest corner into a highly functional part of the home. Bedroom plus gallery wall. Tucked into the quietest corner of this 400 square foot West Village apartment is the cozy tiny bedroom layout. Despite the limited space, a queen-size bed fits comfortably, proving that even in small New York City apartments, smart planning can preserve comfort. The standout feature here is the beautiful black and white gallery wall, designed to be visible from almost anywhere in the apartment. In small apartment interior design, artwork like this helps create a strong visual identity without taking up valuable floor space. Keeping the bedroom minimal and uncluttered makes the entire tiny apartment feel larger and calmer. With soft lighting, clean bedding, and carefully selected artwork, this space captures the essence of modern tiny living in New York City: stylish, intentional, and perfectly scaled for a 400 square foot lifestyle. If you enjoyed this West Village apartment tour and love tiny apartment ideas and small apartment living, subscribe for more inspiring homes every week.